Hey guys, how y'all doing? So the HRV is back to normal. So yes, the HRV is back to normal. The broken windshield is out of there and we got the brand new windshield back in place. And everything is working good and it looks fine. So while the guy was doing it, he came out to my job site and he started work on it in the parking lot. I went through Safelite to get it fixed. So I was watching him while he was actually doing it, and he took a lot of things apart just to get the windshield out. You know, he took off the rear view mirror. My remote start is actually stickered to the top of the windshield, so he had to take that off. He had to undo the wiper blades and take off some covers that was under the hood. So he went through a lot just to get it out. And as he was taking it out, it seemed like it was cracking more, but I think that's because he was just banging on it trying to get it out because it was firm to seal. The thing is, he said this is the first time he's working on an HRV, so I was his first HRV job, if you know what I mean. He's worked on other cars and trucks and all of that, but never on the HRV. So I did, like I said, some screenshots because he didn't want to be recorded. So I couldn't do a video of him actually doing it. No problem. I can respect his privacy. So like I said, I took some screenshots, and as you can see in these screenshots, this is all the stuff that he did and took apart. So as you can see, it took a lot just to get that old one out and put the new one in. All those parts everywhere, and he finally got it done. He said it was gonna take an hour when he first showed up, but I think he took less than that. I mean, he worked pretty fast and he did a good job. But it's just amazing how he actually get that windshield out and what it looks like without the windshield. So like I said, I had to take a picture of that stuff because it looked very weird, and I couldn't see myself driving without a windshield. I don't think anybody would. Because that windshield is so important, man. It not only shields off the wind from coming in you, but you talk about bugs and rocks and all that stuff flying to you. So, man, thanks for windshields. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this quick video of my putting back together HRV after the broken glass incident. Alright, so I just wanted to do a follow-up. Hope you enjoyed these videos, and I'm glad to see that everybody's watching all these HR videos I'm making as far as the HRV 2019. If you haven't seen them yet, go ahead and check them out. I give you my take and my review on the HRV. There's probably be an upcoming video when I start doing the test drive, because I plan on going to one of the dealerships when it comes in town. There's not any in stock right now, but as soon as they get one in town, I'm going to schedule a test drive and go up there and do it. Take the camera as usual and give you my take on it. Alright, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.